Sabi ko nga kay Dong, Dad, pasensyahan na. Dito sa puso ko, mukhang dalawa na kayo.
Ay na, mag-rewind tayong lahat. Dito. So ladies and gentlemen, without further ado, I am thrilled to share our latest campaign video with all of you. Join us in celebrating our endless journey of love and heartfelt connections, featuring the newest members of our Dito family and the power couple behind this latest chapter in our Dito story. Let's watch this.
Rated #1 mobile network sa Pinas. Dito na tayo!
Representing the pinnacle of Filipino talent and charisma. Ladies and gentlemen, it's my honor. Please put your hands together for the power couple who captured the hearts of millions, starring the top grossing Filipino film of all time. And now the two faces of the rated #1 mobile network in the Philippines, Ding Dong Dantes and Marian Rivera. Let's give them a loud round of applause. Again, power couple is an understatement. They are here with us today. Now, I'm going to say give them a round of applause, pero everybody wanted to capture this moment. So, mamaya na yung palakpakan. Of course, Sir Eric, with a beautiful gift. Ayan!
Ayan, magandang tayo sa inyo. Ako, sobrang excited po kami, sobrang saya namin. Nakakasama kayo yung makausap at malaman yung mga kwento behind our family, our work, and all the reasons why we're so happy to partner.
So now let's take a seat. As we said, now I want to ask, ano ang feeling now that you are now part of the family of the #1 rated mobile network in the Philippines? How does that feel?
We, of course, we're very grateful. Sir Eric, Ma'am Jasper, and the whole Dito family. Una-una, maraming salamat sa tiwala. Maraming salamat sa grateful to be associated with brands that really value the Filipino people. Alam nyo, ramdam na ramdam namin na sa puso nandito, ika nga ng tagline dito sa puso, talagang top priority talaga nilang customers. Dahil, of course, reliability, of course, dahil sa affordability ng kanilang services. And very, very clear yung kanilang mission that they really want to empower communities here in the Philippines. And we're just happy and proud to be part of this family because parang extended family rin namin.
Grabe talaga. Let's give them a round of applause. Now, I know that there's when it comes to your, meron tayong mga online habits, di ba? You guys, of course, as a family din. So I wanted, okay lang if we can dive into that a little bit. But Marian, also, we want to hear from you. It's such an amazing experience. So how do you feel naman?
Sobrang blessed kami. Sabi ko nga kay Dong, Dad, pasensyahan na. Dito sa puso ko, mukhang dalawa na kayo. Kaya sabi ni Dong, parang nakakataba ng puso na dito sa Dito, pinaprioridad nila yung mga tao, yung mga Pilipino, kung yung mga kinakailangan nila. At sabi ko nga, dito sa Dito, ay maaasahan mo talaga. At ginawa nitong affordable para sa mga masang Pilipino. Na lahat tayo may karapatang mag-internet, lahat tayo pwedeng maging masaya dito sa mga puso nyo.
Ayun!